Are you ready to buy your dream home? Let us guide you through the home buying process with ease. Step 1 is to schedule a consultation with our expert agents. We'll discuss your needs, budget, and preferences. Next, we'll present you with a tailored list of properties that meet your criteria. Your dream home is just a click away. Once you find potential properties, we'll arrange tours for you to visit and experience them firsthand. When you find the one, our team will help you make a competitive offer and negotiate on your behalf. We'll ensure a thorough inspection is conducted, so you know exactly what you're purchasing. Finally, we'll guide you through the closing process, ensuring all paperwork is handled smoothly. Congratulations! You're now a proud homeowner with the help of JDawala.